In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Beats Solo Buds with your iPhone or iPad device. It's very easy and it can be done in under 2 minutes. So let's get started and not waste any time. So the first thing we need to do over here is to make sure that the earbuds are actually charged. If they have no battery left, this will not work. They're usually almost fully charged unless they've been sitting for 2-3 years maybe in the stores, so you're good to go. First thing, make sure they're inserted in the case. Open the case like this, put the case aside and bring your iPhone close to them. Once the iPhone is in proximity, you should get a screen where it allows you to pair your device with them. If they have already been paired with another device, in my case, I pair it with my Android phone, you'll get not your Beats Solo Buds. Don't worry if you get this message, or even if the message disappears, close the case and open the case again. Press connect. And then it will ask you press and hold the button for 5 seconds. So any buttons, so take the case and on the right side earbuds, you need to keep it pressed like they just told you for 5 seconds. And once the screen changes here, you're gonna hear this noise. Wait a few seconds, connecting. Wait until something appears. Okay, perfect. And then you're going to press skip and you will get how much battery is left in each of them and you are good to go. Now there's many features that you can actually customize on them with your iPhone. And to do so, it's very easy. We need to go into the Bluetooth settings. So I'll drag down from the top right corner, then keep press the Bluetooth icon over here. Keep press Bluetooth again, Bluetooth settings. And then in this list of all your Bluetooth devices, you're going to find them. Mine are, let me check over here, Tricks, Beats, Solo Buds. Press the I button over here. And we're going to have a few different things we can change. So the first thing is the name. This is the default name. It will be your name plus Beats Solo Buds. If you hate that, click on it, change, go back. You also have over here press and hold, and this is quite cool. So you can customize what happens when you wear them in your ears and you keep and pressing this button. If you tap here, you're gonna have a few options. You can do volume control, which means that you'll be able, if you turn it on like the way I did, using the left earbuds, if you keep press it on it, the volume will go down. If you keep press the right side earbud, the volume will go up. So that's quite an interesting thing. You won't have the need to actually pull out your phone and lower the volume if somebody is talking to you. If you turn volume control off, it will simply go to Siri and there's no other choice. Which means every time you keep it pressed when they're in your ears, Siri will ask you, hey, what do you want? You know, you can ask the weather or change settings or stuff like that. So I highly recommend you keep it in volume control. I think this is much more useful than having Siri in your ears. But overall, this is how you use them with your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.